In this lesson, we're going to talk about arrays in JavaScript. Arrays are simply a list. For example, if you want to define list of books, list of colors, list of cars, whatever you want. When you want to handle a list of data, just use the array. Let me show you in the code. Imagine that you want to create a list of colors. For example, you can use var color1 equals to red. Okay, var color2 equals to blue. Var color3 equals to green. That's a very bad approach. So here we should use arrays. If you have a list of items, for example, list of colors, you can store them inside just one variable. For example, var colors array equals to, and open this square brackets. This square bracket is an empty array. You can put in it whatever you want. For example, numbers 1, 2, 3, or colors. Let's put our colors. The first color is red. You should have a comma after. Then the blue. Then you should add a comma. If you didn't add this comma, you will get a syntax error, because in array you have to put a comma between value and another. Now we don't need those three variables. We just have our colors array here. Of those three colors, you can add whatever you want. For example, yellow. Add whatever you want here inside this array. How to access an array. For example, how to use this yellow or green or blue. Remember the zero indexing that I have talked about before in the strings method. You have to know that the array is the same. For example, because any value here has an index, and the indexes started with 0. Let me show you. Here, the index of red is 0. The index of blue is 1. The index of green is 2. The index of yellow is 3. Okay, those are the indexes of the array. If you want to access any one of those values, just you're gonna use this index. Let me show you. Let's create console.log. I want to log this green color. That's pretty easy. Just add the array variable here. If you log the array variable, you will see the 4 colors and the indexes here too. The 0 is red, the 1 is blue, the index 2 is green, the index 3 is yellow. Just open a square bracket and put any index that you want. You want the green, just type 2. Look, we have access to the green color. If you want the yellow, just add 3. Look, we have access to the yellow color. How to change an element of the array. For example, I want to change this yellow and make it pink, for example. That's pretty easy. Just add your variable name, I mean the colors array, that's the variable name, and open a square bracket and choose the index of the item that you want to edit. For example, the yellow. The index of yellow is 3. So just type here 3. So here I want the colors array, this array of index 3, I mean the yellow, to be, for example, pink. Now if you see in the console here, we logged here the index of 3, I mean the yellow. If you log the all array, look, you have here an array of red, blue, green, pink. What is the yellow? We changed the yellow and make it pink because we took the index and make it pink. How to add elements to an array. For example, we have here array of red, blue, green, pink because we replaced the yellow with the pink. I want to add the yellow. To do this, just type your array name, colors r.push and add whatever you want. For example, yellow. Now, if you see here, you have an array of 5 values: red, blue, green, pink, yellow, because we added a yellow here. Is there another way? We used here push. Is there another way? Yes, there's another way. If you want to add an array, just add a new index. For example, type the array name, colors array. If you look at this array, we have here 5 elements. The last index is 4. So we want to add a new one. Just type the index of 5. Okay, and let's assign it to aqua, for example. Now, if you see here, we have here 6 elements: red, blue, green, pink, yellow, and aqua. Aqua is the index number 5 here. How to get the length of the array? The array is a list. What if I want to get the number of those items in the array? How many items this array contains? That's easy. Just type your array name and add dot length. Here you have a 6 element. Who are those 6? The 6 are those 4 elements and the yellow and the aqua. So those are 6. Just add dot length to get the length of your array. I would like to mention the type of array is an object. So if we just type here, type of array, we get here an object. So how to check, is this variable, is array or not? I mean a list. Is this a list or not? In JavaScript, we have isArray method to recognize the array. Is it array or not? Just type array dot isArray and just check it. We have here a true because this is an array. That was our lesson today. I hope you understand it well. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and don't forget the follow and the like button. Thanks for watching.